Hey Mike,
Yes?
did you know that 50% of the world's population is under 25 years old?
No, I didn't.
And that women make up 49% of the world's population? Yeah! I've just found this great website with all sorts of interesting facts.
Oh,
Listen to this one.
Paul, I'm trying to read.
But it's about reading. Apparently, 2 billion people in the world can't read.
Well, that doesn't surprise me.
And what do you think is the highest selling song of all time?
Maybe White Christmas?
Not bad. That's the second best selling. It sold 30 million. The top selling single was Candle in the Wind 1997 by Elton John. It sold 33 million copies.
Oh, that was the one when Princess Diana died.
Yeah, that's right. Listen to this. The largest iceberg ever found was 335 kilometres long and 97 kilometres wide.
Yeah.
Air becomes liquid at minus 190 degrees Celsius. I didn't know that.
Paul?
Ah, you'll be interested in this. It's the sports section. Which football team has won more championships than any other?
Do you mean in the world or in Europe?
No, I don't want to disturb you. I'll be quiet.
It must be Brazil or Argentina.